Well, hello guys. Well, in today's video, we're gonna install some subs in mi compa's troca, and I guess I'm just gonna move the car because we're gonna use this spot right here. Obviously, like I said, this is the race car. It's all dirty. I have not cleaned it for a while. Oh yeah, the sound of the race car. Oh yeah. Probably hate me from all this noise, but it's whatever. God damn, this shit's all beast. El Copa fucking finally arrived, huh? Take forever. Huh. It's about time. Puta verga. So like I said, we're gonna install some subs in this bitch. Got everything back here. Let's see how it goes. Should be easy, fairly easy. I did it to that Silverado. Basically do the same thing to this one. Alright, but let's go. So first step, so you're gonna need to take this apart. We got most of it off, or some of the things off, so I didn't record it. I would assume people would know, so you just like take out the panels and stuff. Set everything to the side. Yeah, sorry. So we're gonna run the power cable, and obviously you're gonna have to try to find somewhere to put it. We're gonna try to use this ground right here. A little hole. Alright, so the easiest way to put it is put a screwdriver in there. Alright, so here, just try to stick that in there, and I'm gonna go from the inside and. Alright, that's a little part back here. This is. Oh, this part about this. You finally got it. Oh my god. God damn. This is a bitch. This is actually harder than it looks. So obviously, I'm just gonna wire all your stuff down. Okay guys, well, I'm sorry that this isn't like a video you guys expected, but this is more like us installing it instead of a how-to video. But other than that, it's pretty simple. I mean, there's a lot of videos out there that you could probably see, but this is like more of a gist of it, of how to do it. So I mean, I guess if you want to like a really exact detail, you could hit me up. But yeah, so far we ran all the wires through it, trying to see if we could get all the wires and we have enough. So we got all the wires and everything. Moment of truth, see if we got it all right. Hopefully we did. Let's see if we can get these working again. Oh, they're working. They're working, we got it, folks. Woo! And it's on. So we did something right, guys. So we're about to take some pictures. He's right behind me. El puta copa with the new freshly installed subs. Ah, fuck. It's hard to drive manual with this bitch.
was basically it. There wasn't much to it, but like I said, if you guys want to see more, just subscribe and like the video and see how it goes from there.